Hey guys, it's Dr. Zadeh at Z Center for Cosmetic Health in Sherman Oaks, California. We're going to be doing a Sculptra treatment today to the temples. Sculptra is one of my favorite products for the temples. A lot of people think it's a filler, but it's actually not a filler, it's a collagen stimulator. So what happens when we inject it is it's going to stimulate the body to create collagen over time, and by doing that, it's going to volumize and build up the tissues. So when we use it in the temples, it can help restore some volume loss in the temple area. She's already had, I think 1 or 2 treatments before, and we've also done some fillers to her temples. So she's already seen some improvement. So we're just gonna add on that and build on that. So I marked out the temple area here for you guys to see. So this is the area we're going to be injecting. She has a little volume loss in the lateral forehead area, just near the junction of the temple. So we might just put a little bit in there also. I like to inject this right on top of the bone, and I use 1, maybe 2 injection sites. So Sculptra comes as a powder. So in order to be injected, it needs to be diluted in sterile water. So the amount of dilution is critical depending on the area that you're treating, because what can happen if you don't dilute it properly or if you don't inject it in the proper area is that people can end up with lumps and something called granulomas, and those can be very difficult to get rid of. So we've done a special dilution for her for the temple area. Injection technique is also very important because there's a lot of critical blood vessels that run in this area that you don't want to injure. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side pretty much the exact same way. So this also has some numbing medicine in it to make it a little more comfortable for her. So you see, that's it. Minimal, if anything, as far as bleeding goes. No bruising. The correction that you see here, a lot of it is from the fluid, from the Sculptra. What's gonna happen is over the next few days, that's going to dissolve. And then the collagen building process will begin, and peak results can be seen within 3 to 6 months. What we're gonna do now, after we've done both sides, is we're gonna do a 5-minute massage to make sure that the product disperses evenly. That's a very important part of the treatment. It's also something that she's going to be doing at home. I typically like my clients to do it 5 times a day for 5 minutes each time for 5 days. So that's pretty much it. There's no downtime or anything like that with the procedure. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or follow us on our social media channels at Z Cosmetic Health. Thanks.